Good morning. Normally, the Lord performs a miracle in response to a request made in faith. Like, for example, a paralyzed man or a blind man asking the Lord, "Lord, have pity on me." But the miracle in this gospel is different. There was no explicit request. They were just walking, and as they walked, they saw a funeral procession. And look at the situation. The woman, the mother, was a widow, and she is just left with her son. Wala nang asawa, byuda, isa lang ang anak. Namatay pa yung anak. The only son, the only child died. And therefore, the woman is now alone. A widow with no one to take care of her. And the gospel said, when the Lord saw her, He was moved with pity for her and said to her, "Do not weep." Talagang awa lang eh. Walang pakiusap, walang panalangin, talagang awa lang ng Diyos. And here, my dear brothers and sisters, the lesson is very clear. Many times, we don't even have to ask. Many times, we don't even have to beg. The Lord will voluntarily give what we need. Ganun naman eh. Hindi nakiusap yung byuda, "Panginoon, buhayin mo ang anak ko." Hindi, walang ganun pakiusap. Nakita lang ng Diyos ang sitwasyon ng byuda. Nakita lang ni Jesus ang kahabag-habag na sitwasyon ng babae. And on His own, by His own initiative, He took pity on her. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, this is a very good reminder to us. The Lord will always give to us what we need, even if we did not pray for it. Ibibigay ng Diyos ang ating kailangan. Kaya siguro kung minsan hindi binibigay ng Diyos ang ating hinihiling, kahit nadasal tayo ng dasal, baka ang sagot ng Panginoon, hindi yan ang kailangan mo. Hindi yan ang kailangan mo. Kaya kung nagdadasal kayo, "Lord, bigyan mo ako ng asawa." Baka sabi ng Panginoon, hindi yan ang kailangan mo. "Lord, sana ay ma-promote ako sa trabaho." Hindi yan ang kailangan mo. Ibibigay sa iyo ng Diyos, hindi ang hinihingi mo, kundi kung ano ang kailangan mo. Kasi alam ng Diyos kung ano ang mabuti para sa atin. Pero, siyempre, hindi tayo dapat huminto ng pagdarasal. Pero ang pagdarasal natin ay laging may elemento ng pagsuko. We should not stop praying, but always our prayer would be, "Thy will be done." Amen.